Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the boAt Watch Enigma. So as you can see, this is the box that the product comes in. It says a timeless pursuit and some of the features are listed on here. I'll just read them out to you. So it has 3 ATM water resistant, okay. It has multiple sport modes. There is call and text notifications with vibration alert. There you can get weather forecasts. There's a free strap inside, and this has a wellness mode. And in the wellness mode, it says sleep monitor, heart rate monitor, and a blood oxygen level monitor. So it has all three of these. Great. What else do we have? Well, it's a 1.54 inch full touch color display. So it has a 1.54 inch full touch color display. There are multiple watch faces. There's a music and camera control also. All right. It's compatible with iOS 8 and above and Android 4.4 and above. There's also smart gesture control, and there's a find my phone option. Okay, and all right, so this is a little bit about the sensor inside. So it has sedentary alert. So if you're sitting for too long, it'll give you an alert. There's a guided breathing mode, and it has an activity tracker and goal setting mode. All right, very good. So let's just go ahead and open that up. Just pulls open. All right, so there you go. And there's the watch. So let me go ahead and remove that first. So the watch itself comes in this padded foam casing. Okay, that won't come out. And I suppose, oh, you have to push it down and pull it out. Okay, so you pull it out from here. To the side. So there's the boAt Watch Enigma. I'll remove this cover and let's turn it on and see if it comes on. There you go, it's come on. While that's coming on, let's see what else you get in the box. So this is probably a charger. Yep, so in here you get a charging cable. All right, so it's a USB charging cable. You get a watch strap, extra watch strap. So these are black, as you can see, and they've given a pair of gray watch straps. You get gray and black, both these two colors. Okay, quite nice. Let's put that off. What else have you got? So there's some documents. So there is boAt, a timeless pursuit. So this is a user manual. All right. You get a warranty card. Okay, there's some more documents from boAt. Keep them here. And you get a sticker that says boAt head. Okay. That there. And that is it. So there you are. That's what you get. Let's take a look at the watch itself. So as you can see, I'll hold it up closer for you guys to see. There you go. So there's the watch itself. There's some of the modes. So there's an eco-enabled, disabled mode. Music, it's not connected. Okay, we'll show you how to connect it in another video. But that's it. So I shall just put that down. That was the unboxing.